Myinvestor review. Is it legit or a scam? Myinvestor is a Spanish neobank and investment platform, launched in 2017 and operating under its own banking license since 2023. It is regulated by both the Banco de España and CNMV, and it offers investing in index funds, ETFs, saving accounts, term deposits, mortgages, and crowdfunding, all within a single platform. So it offers some strengths which are legit. It is strong regulation, low cost investing, low minimum startups, and diverse product range with a large footprint. Although it has some weaknesses and concerns, so there is some app and site instability. They even have customer support issues, security and UX concerns, and delayed field operations. However, there's some user feedback, so Impossible España has a lot of apps problems like lagging and glitches. However, other than that, it is legitimate but with caveats. So it's a real and well-regulated platform offering compelling value, low fees, broad access to index funds, and integrating banking features.